And then the rain began. She wandered the city alone, pawing through puddles, hiding from shadows, her small body nearly lost in a world that moved too fast to care. Every noise made her flinch. Every corner held danger. She searched faces, windows, doorways. She searched for a scent, a voice, anything that felt like home. But the city doesn't notice things like hope. One night, in a cold alley lit by broken neon, she met him. A scrappy, gray-furred mutt with kind eyes and a limp in his step. He brought her a piece of bread. She brought him trust. Together, they became something the city couldn't take. They played. They rested. They shared warmth when the nights turned bitter. For a moment, she forgot she was lost. But the city doesn't let soft things last. The danger came sharp and sudden, snarling, teeth bared. He fought for her. He won, and he paid. She curled up beside him, the warmth fading under her paws. She waited for him to wait. He didn't. And then, she was alone again. But something had changed. She carried him in her eyes now. In the slow, tired way she walked. In the places she returned to, where laughter had once echoed. And then one day, beneath a faded awning, she saw a flyer. Her own face. Her old name. Hope is a cruel thing, soft and sharp at once. But she followed it, limping, thin, trembling, until a door opened, and a voice she hadn't heard in weeks cried out her name. Warm arms lifted her, and for the first time in what felt like forever, she let go.
Meow, 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 all my brother is cat. Meow, 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 all my brother is cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Meow, 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 all my brother is cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Meow, 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 all my brother is cat. Meow, 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 all my brother is cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Meow, 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 orange cat. Now here's a little story I got to tell about a chunky little cat you know so well. He bakes all day and bakes all night. He gets it from his grandpapa who taught him right. This cat can cook up any pie. He's got a recipe you should try. It has cheese and sauce and all of that. You'll be meowing for more. So gather round the pizza cat. Whoa! The pizza cat. Whoa! The pizza cat. Whoa! The pizza cat. The pizza cat. He's got a ball of dough and a pizza stone, a little red wine and some provolone, a bottle of oil and some mozzarella. He's a real good cook, this little fella. He rolls out the dough, puts it in the pan. Ginger cat in the kitchen, he's making dinner for two tonight. He's cooking for sugar gliders, taking them to the roof. It's hard being a little sugar glider, needs someone to provide for. Hard being a little sugar glider, needs someone to provide for. picking up the fish from the stand, takes it home and fillets it. Oh, the smell fills the land. It's hard being a little sugar glider, needs someone to provide for. Hard being a little sugar glider, needs someone to provide for. Cat picks the gliders up from the shelter, takes them to the vet, nurses them back to health. Now they're living on the rooftop, making a family, finding themselves. It's hard being a little sugar glider, needs someone to provide for. Hard being a little sugar glider, needs someone to provide for. Cat in the kitchen, he's making dinner for two.